Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna introduce you with some new plants which I got from a friend in my city, and her name is Ekaterina, and we actually did a plant exchange. I give her a bamboo rhizome, beautiful bamboo, and she gave me some house plants, as you can see, beautiful Philodendron, and this is like it's Scindapsus. I'm not sure if I pronounced the name correctly in English, but beautiful plants. Also, she gave me this kind of blackberries, and I have to plant these plants in the garden. And as well, Ekaterina have a YouTube channel about plants, and I will leave the link in the corner and in description. So please subscribe to her channel, and it's very beautiful plants from her side. And she said that one of these, I think, Scindapsus to put in water, Philodendron to plant in the soil already, and already soil is here I have to plant right now. And these beautiful plants I have to put in water to grow roots, but let me show you the root system on this one. Here I see two cuttings of this philodendron, and I can see the healthy root system. Let's see close up, but careful. Here we go. I have to plant this beautiful... Oh, this is three cuttings, I didn't know. Anyway, I have to plant these cuttings very nice, and they will grow for me. And this plant, which is called Scindapsus, but I guess it's like photos, kind of photos. Let's see if have root system. I can see not yet, but I have to put in water to grow root system. As well, three cuttings I got here. A kind of buds it have on this plant's stem, beautiful. But this blackberries I'm gonna open outside because I don't want to make soil here in my room. And I will have to plant in the sunny place. And it should be grow and then produce blackberries. So good for Ekaterina. First, let's put these cuttings in water. Before I put these cuttings in water, let's take a look on this beautiful cuttings. As you can see, awesome. The first one, the second one is here, the third one. But now I have to plant these plants of philodendron. Look, macro shoot of the cuttings. Also, the leaves are beautiful as well. I will have to use this kind of pots. They're quite small, but I have no choice. But the plants aren't too big and will be good pots. And the potting soil which I will use is universal potting soil with pH 5 to 6.5, and it will be good. So let's plant it. First I will have to add potting soil in the pot, then the plant. This one is ready. The second one is ready. Let's plant the third one, the last one. ready. They will not stay long in these small pots. But now let's water them with the same rainwater. My work was finished with these plants and I hope they will grow well. Well done, I am in the garden and let's see close up the root system of these blackberries and we have to plant them. As I can notice, there are quite many cuttings. I'm gonna plant them somewhere in this region and I already started digging. So here I dig and I will plant these blackberries around 80 centimeters distance each other and they should grow beautiful, we will see. Ready, I just planted all the blackberries and we have to water. I will water. I needed to add some support to grow on it, but I will add later. They are beautiful and see how they will grow. But actually on this one I can put a bamboo shoot like support. So I'm done planting these blackberries, hope they grow well, and the plants which I planted in pots. So again, if you want, can subscribe to Ekaterina's channel, and thanks a lot. And we'll see you next time. We'll see an update, how they will grow. And greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. And I will catch you next time. Bye bye.